Most bench vices come with hard steel jaws. They're built to grip aggressively, and for rough work, that's exactly what you want. They bite hard, they don't slip, and they hold parts that don't care about appearance. The problem shows up when the work does care about appearance. Once a part is finished, or close to finished, those same serrated jaws become a liability. One extra turn of the handle, one small shift, and the surface is permanently scarred. That's where soft jaws come in. Soft jaws change how the vise interacts with the work. Instead of digging in, they spread the clamping force over a larger area. The part stays put, but the surface stays intact. One common solution is aluminum soft jaws. They slip over the existing hard jaws and give you a smooth, non-serrated contact surface. They're quick to install, reusable, and ideal for light finishing work or repeat setups. For more flexibility, the hard jaws can be removed altogether. Most vices use simple bolt-on inserts, which means they can be swapped without modifying the vise itself. That opens the door to custom soft jaws made from materials like wood. Wood soft jaws are simple, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. They can be cut to size, shaped to match the part, or replaced when they wear out. They also add a bit of forgiveness when clamping irregular shapes or thin material that doesn't like point pressure. This is where soft jaws quietly improve workflow. You stop treating the vise like a brute force tool and start using it as a precision holder. Finished parts, painted surfaces, polished edges, and machined faces can all be clamped with confidence. The real advantage of soft jaws isn't just protection, it's confidence. You stop sneaking up on the handle and start focusing on the work. The part stays where you put it, and the finish stays the way you intended. The end result is the same holding power, without the damage. No scratches, no bite marks, no starting over. Soft jaws are a small change, but they fundamentally change how a bench vise gets used. And once you start using them, it's hard to go back. Over time, soft jaws also change how you approach setups. You stop accepting damage as normal and start expecting clean results. That mindset carries over into other parts of the shop, measuring more carefully, checking alignments sooner, and thinking ahead before tightening anything down. It's the same vise, the same bench, and the same amount of effort. The only difference is how the force is applied. Instead of relying on serrations to do the work, you're controlling how the part is supported. That's a small shift, but it adds up. Less rework, fewer mistakes, and better results at the end of the job.